A little bit. They're gonna be so proud of me. I'm so excited today, y'all, because I'm gonna be introducing y'all to two of the cutest little friends of mine, Drew and Shazi.
You ready to work out?
Oh, your belly. They're personal trainers.
Got in the way.
Your belly.
What about my belly?
They're expecting their first baby. Y'all get in here in the kitchen. Get in here in the kitchen. Oh my goodness, you know, in y'all's honor today, I'm really lightening it up. I'm just gonna grill us some veggies.
Yeah.
You know, nothing too heavy before we work out.
Good. Very
healthy.
good.
No?
I like this.
Surprise.
Yes. All right, Shaz.
Yes.
If you could just chop up 8 ounces of these baby bella mushrooms and 1 red onion. If
Okay.
you want them thin, do them thin, or if you want to cut them in half, they'll take a little longer.
Okay.
And let's just peddle the onion.
Pedal. Okay.
All right, Drew, do you want to know how I want you to cut this zucchini?
Please tell me.
Okay, I want them cut on the bias.
Okay.
On the bayou. What is that song? So how have y'all been? I hadn't seen y'all, I know.
Well,
It's
too
my
long.
fault, it's my fault.
We're getting back on track. We have
Well,
been
me too. I'm really working in that direction.
You've been baking desserts. We've been baking babies.
we've been baking babies.
Little Miss London, that's her name.
London Elizabeth.
London Elizabeth, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
What do I do now?
Oh,
chop.
you're done, aren't you?
Well, I'm way ahead.
All
Y'all are
right,
gabbing.
smush me up some garlic. Take about that many and smash them, Drew.
Smash it with the edge.
Yes. All right, now see, that gets you peeling off.
Oh, that's so easy.
I know. I mean, this is easy stuff.
Okay, I can do
Just
that.
rough.
I can do that.
Rough
How many do
kinda
we
chop
need?
it. What'd I tell you, boy? I said that
Yes.
much, didn't I? It's a good thing when I come down to your exercise place that I listen better than you.
Here, I got some garlic. Here.
All right, I'm gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of ground oregano.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil, 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of red wine, red wine. And this is really just red wine vinegar, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna put some salt in here, some pepper.
Yummy.
And you can toss your shrooms. Yeah, so y'all can see how simple this is.
How about just...
In there. All right, now your zucchini, please.
All right.
Look at that. It's gonna be delicious with our salmon.
I want to know when we're going to work out.
Just hush up, boy.
You bring the pain, I'll bring the pain.
She's working us out in the
We will bring
kitchen.
it.
Yeah.
It smells.
That's what your muscles are going to be doing later.
That
Sizzling.
smells and
Look how
sounds
good this
so
is gonna
good.
be for us. Aren't you proud?
I am.
Now, is this how you cook every day, Paula?
People have a misconception of the South, I think.
Uh-huh.
They think because they see me in my kitchen, you know, cooking wonderful fattening dishes that I eat that way every day, and I don't. You know,
Well,
we
that's good.
couldn't get through the door if we did.
Absolutely.
You would be the butter queen then. We'd have to butter you up to get you through the door if you
Yes,
like
you
that
do.
every day.
Slide you through the door.
Yes.
Get all that garlic. Yummy.
Yes, every drop of that garlic.
That smells good already.
I tell everybody, we eat a tremendous amount of vegetables down
Yeah.
in the South. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands. All right, so Drew, you just turn those for me. So, Drew, why don't we push our veggies to one side and let's put our salmon down.
Yeah. This is making me hungry
Just-
to train you.
It's making you hungry to train me.
Yeah, it's just whetting my appetite.
So what I'm gonna do now,
Squat
Is-
lunge.
I'm gonna
Push-ups against the
exercise a second
counter.
just to make your husband shut
Please
up.
do.
Okay, I'm gonna squat lunge.
Oh, good one.
Not a bad lunge.
Okay, good. So Drew, why don't you dish up some veggies?
Okay.
I think it's ready. Tell me what y'all think.
This is delicious. This
I
was
love that sauce.
And your workout is gonna be Just as good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.